If you work in HR, you already know the drill. You open your laptop thinking, all right, today I'll finally talk to some great candidates. And somehow, by the end of the day, you've sent 50 emails, juggled a bunch of forms, and stared at a tracker so long you could draw it from memory. It's not that you're doing anything wrong. It's just that hiring today feels like running on a treadmill. A lot of effort, not much progress. But here's some good news. AI promised to make things easier. And honestly, it's keeping its promise if you use it the right way. That's where ClickUp's all-in-one AI recruiting software comes in. It allows you to handle all your hiring and HR workflows end-to-end. In this video, let's look at 4 ways in which ClickUp helps you recruit faster and smarter. And stick around till the end, because there are 3 free HR templates you'll definitely want to check out. Let's start with the first big task in hiring: getting your job descriptions and communication right. Writing job posts, drafting emails, and updating offer letters is a full-time job in itself. And even after spending hours on it, you're still tweaking tone, formatting, or copying the same info over and over again. That's the problem ClickUp Brain, your contextual AI assistant, was made to solve. It helps you write job descriptions, prepare offer letters, and even create onboarding emails using simple prompts in seconds. So instead of starting from scratch every single time, you just prompt, polish, and send. And when it's time to review or collaborate with your team, everything lives inside ClickUp Docs. You can edit together, share instantly, and make sure everyone's working on the same version, all in real time. Next up is automating repetitive tasks. The job post is out now, and the applications start rolling in. But what happens next? Someone still has to do the boring work, assign interviews, send feedback, update statuses. Enter ClickUp Tasks. It helps you log those scattered to-dos as clear action items. But here's where it gets even easier. ClickUp Brain acts as an AI task manager and just takes over. It auto-assigns tasks, updates candidate stages, keeps everyone in the loop. Sure, it won't conduct the interviews for you, but it'll make sure you're always ready for the next one. All right, so JDs are sorted. Your tasks are all in place. Now let's move to the one thing every recruiter struggles with: scheduling. Overlapping slots, reschedules, and those endless, "Does this time work for you?" emails. What if we skip this entirely? ClickUp Calendar makes visual tracking of your schedule easier. Meanwhile, ClickUp Brain handles the background stuff like reminders, syncing with Google Calendar, and auto-updating tasks as interviews get scheduled. Once the interviews are done, the real game begins, making sense of it all. You've got feedback scattered across chats, forms, and that one candidate datasheet nobody remembers naming properly. How do you find it? Trust ClickUp's enterprise search to save the day. It looks across ClickUp and connected apps like Slack and Google Drive to find the right files and messages for you. You can also use ClickUp Brain as your AI knowledge manager across all your docs and tasks, and make searching as easy as asking a question. So now you've got a pretty good idea of how you can use ClickUp to make hiring a little less chaotic. We've talked about writing, organizing, scheduling, keeping track of feedback, basically everything that usually eats up your day as a hiring manager. And remember the templates we promised at the start? ClickUp has many free HR templates to get you started. There's the recruiting and hiring template, which gives you an organized view of all your open roles, interviews, and hiring stages. Then the hiring candidates template keeps your process fair, organized, and makes comparing applicants super easy. And the recruitment action plan template gets your team on the same page so everyone knows what's next. So you can build up your AI powers your way, or start with one of the ready-to-use templates. Either way, you're setting up a system that actually works for you. Because that's the whole point of AI in hiring, not to replace what you do, but give you back the time and headspace to do it better. And ClickUp brings all those moving parts together. So instead of managing the process, you can finally focus on the people. If you're ready to make hiring a little less hectic, try ClickUp and see how much smoother your day gets.